Hey savvy financiers, welcome back to Finance Bro. Your go-to hub for transforming your financial health and skyrocketing your wealth. Today, we're cracking the code on a hot topic that's buzzing in 2024. Credit score hacks. Boosting your score in 2024. Whether you're eyeing a mortgage, dreaming of a zero-interest credit card, or just aiming to ace your finances, boosting your credit score is your golden ticket. So, buckle up as we dive into the nitty-gritty of elevating your credit score this year. And hey, if you find this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more financial wisdom. Understanding your credit score. First things first, let's unravel the mystery of credit scores. Think of your credit score as a financial report card. Ranging from 300 to 850, lenders use this score to gauge your credit worthiness. The higher your score, the more financially reliable you appear. But what factors influence this crucial number? Your payment history, credit utilization, length of credit history, new credit inquiries, and the mix of credit types all play pivotal roles. Keep these in mind because we're about to leverage them to our advantage. Payment history tips. Hack number 1. Nail your payment history. This component is the heavyweight champion, making up 35% of your credit score. The secret: always pay your bills on time. Even a single missed payment can ding your score. But here's a pro tip for 2024. If you've missed a payment, don't panic. Many lenders offer a grace period before reporting to the credit bureaus. Take advantage of this by setting up payment reminders or automating your payments. It's a simple step with monumental impact. Credit utilization strategies. Moving on to hack number 2. Slash your credit utilization. Experts recommend keeping it under 30%, but in 2024, the golden ratio is closer to 10%. How? Start by paying down those high balances. Consider requesting a credit limit increase, but proceed with caution. Don't let a higher limit tempt you into overspending. Another under-the-radar trick is to become an authorized user on a family member's account with a stellar credit history. Just ensure their credit habits are top-notch, as you'll inherit the history of that account. Length of credit history and new credit. Hack number 3 involves playing the long game with your credit history while being strategic about new credit. Keep older accounts open to showcase a lengthy credit history, contributing to 15% of your score. When it comes to new credit, restrain from applying for several new lines of credit within a short period. Each application can temporarily lower your score. If you're shopping for a loan, do it within a 14 to 45 day window to minimize the impact on your score. Credit mix mastery. Our final hack of the day: diversify your credit mix. Having a blend of credit types, from installment loans to revolving credit, can positively influence your score. It shows lenders you can manage different types of credit responsibly. However, don't open new accounts just to improve your mix. It should happen naturally as you build and diversify your credit over time. There you have it, finance enthusiasts, your roadmap to a stellar credit score in 2024. Implementing these hacks requires discipline and patience, but the payoff is worth it. Lower interest rates, better loan terms, and financial freedom. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Which hack are you going to try first? Drop a comment below, and if you found this guide invaluable, give us a thumbs up, share with friends, and subscribe for more insider tips. Here's to your financial success.